What's going on YouTube? It's H-Chan the Sensei. I am here with Eric, and I'm also here with Amir. Shout out to him, he's behind the camera. And today we are doing the spray
bottle sneeze prank.
Yeah, so we're gonna act like we sneezing on you. We're taking it over there to the playground. We don't want them to see us right now. And we about to prank some kids. Let's go. Me and Amir about to go sneeze on a few of these kids right now. Let's see what happens. Come on, Amir. Hey, what's up? You said what? Y'all not playing football? I feel like I need to sneeze. Wait, hold on, let me sneeze first. Oh, sorry. No, I sneezed on you? Did y'all see where the Wait, come here, bro. What are you talking about, bro? I got COVID. I got COVID. What are you talking about?
No.
I just had to sneeze, bro. Hey, can I ask you something? So, when I was over there, I saw you walk. Hold on, I got to sneeze. I'm sorry. Come here. Hey, can I ask you something? Because he's eating Takis right now. Takis, you ever had the blue? Let me smell them. I want to just smell them. Did you see them Takis over there? Like, so have you ever had a blue kind? Okay, like when I had these kind, like let me smell them, cause
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you? I'm sorry.
Do it to me.
I didn't mean to sneeze on you. I got COVID. I'm sorry. Let me get away.
Right there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I just sneeze on you?
No.
Did I just sneeze on you? No, I sneezed on you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze.
I got a right person to. No, got spray right there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you?
He had COVID.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Huh? Hey, chew. Oh, I'm sorry.
I just seen that.
See what?
He said right.
He didn't have nothing?
See, that's water.
What? Smell what? I sneezed on you? Oh, I'm sorry. I got COVID. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze. I'm just a little.
Stop it.
What? I'm sick. I can't. I'm sick. I'm so serious.
Wait, it's so bad.
Come here. Look, let me ask y'all something. Look, do y'all ever felt like y'all?
Corona?
I sneeze.
That's not real. You got corona?
I don't, man. I don't have corona.
Yes, you do.
Look, come here. Let me smell your shirt. I'm just allergic to somebody's shirt.
It's a prank.
Oh, I'm sorry. I sneezed on you. I'm sorry. He knew that. Stefan knew that. Who knew they was being pranked?
Me.
Who knew they was being pranked? Okay. Who's gonna fight? All right. That was fun, people. Amir over here. Shout out to Amir. We're gonna give a shout out to Eric. Bow. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow the channel. Tell them where to follow you at.
Eric, that's spelled A-R-E-K.
You had.
You go upload. I'm gonna watch it.
Everybody, she about to talk about what y'all doing this summer.
What y'all doing this summer?
So what are y'all doing this summer? You playing football? The man, he said he could play football. Nobody else you know. Natalie, where you going? Come on. Come on, where you going? I call him up.
I'm going to Los Angeles.
Alright, y'all, but listen, y'all want to know what I'm doing?
Make a movie.
I gotta sneeze. Hold on. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry.
That was so fake. He just stayed on there.
What? How you
It's right, isn't it? It's great.
Huh? What are you doing? I don't have to order. What's that? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What's up?
Let me ask you something, bro.
You stalker?
What? Did you what?
What else say, man?
Alright, so that was it. Really, I couldn't do this on y'all, but that's what we was doing. What we did go around that we did. I'm married Eric Company. Let me make sure I say yeah.
I'm coming, y'all. Right, right. Yeah, let me keep that. I was on Chloe cause a lot, and then that was like, you know that boy your car from McKinneyville, and I was like, I'm talking about truck right there. Kim was like, Chloe, that was like, y'all remember that boy from oh, he fell in my pocket. That was like, y'all remember that boy from McKinneyville?
Well, I'm gonna let America record everybody. So y'all finna just be on the block. If I come with that, I got you. Ace Chan, like Jackie Chan, the Sensei. If you know somebody,
I see that name on never. Yeah. Just ask me. It's there.
or it's in my Instagram bio, it's in everything.
She be the Hold on, where you going? I'm going.
Ooh, y'all.
Well, I'm coming.
They don't know what we doing, do they? No. We should get them.
Hey YouTube. It's my Taylor. Go subscribe to my
Y'all take a seat. Take a seat.
My YouTube. See, they be doing. Anyway, go.
Alright.
Come y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. It's so dark in here. Hi everyone.
Alright, come on, we done.
Y'all so dry.
Y'all go to class.
This is my class. Behind the scenes, well, a pre-video the sneezing.
Oh, you want me to record y'all walking through?
No, it's gonna be like a like, yeah.
Oh, behind the scenes?
Yeah.
Oh, are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We gotta get the mic. We left the mic. You know what I'm saying?
If you exit it, put the camera down so they don't see it.
No, it's all good. They can see it. They already know. Everybody already knows. You see that camera? You know what's up. What's up? Miss Hall.
Miss Green.
Yeah.
Which one we gonna make now though? Huh? Which one we going? Go to.
We're gonna be going back that way.
Okay. Oh, down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. This lit loud? No, this not lit loud.
This is man lab.
This is man loud. Oh my god.
Oh, man, she got
Here, how many you want? I already got me one. Rocket. I got me one.
You good.
I'm gonna be. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all go follow me at the _Eric on Instagram. Get it? What's
All right. I feel like we got a good 4.
A prank?
What we're recording?
A prank on what?
Prank.
A sneezing prank. A what prank? A sneezing prank. I was no see. We already did it. Y'all never seen it. You're not even recording for it. Yes, I am.
Let me look in here. Let me see who in here.
No, Eric.
Man, y'all.
Y'all that camera Oh, it is recording. You got a camera. He said he wants me to stop cussing. You finished?